SUPERHEXA Vision. In 2020, the ADAR market soared to a whopping $12.5 billion. But there's a problem. Most ADAR devices, especially headsets, are boring and bland. They all look the same. Why not spice things up with a new twist on an old idea? Introducing the AR glasses for the creative souls. Whether you're a photographer, a streamer, or a lover of photos and videos, these glasses are for you. They have 8 and 50 megapixel cameras to capture every detail, 15 times zoom capability to get closer to the action, a Snapdragon 8-core processor to handle any task, and 3 hours of battery life to keep you going. They also have a handy app for easy editing and sharing, with video templates for popular platforms like TikTok and Instagram. These glasses have 32 gigabytes of memory, Bluetooth 5.0, and only weigh 100 grams. You can get yours for only $450. Don't miss this chance to unleash your creativity with the ADAR glasses. Huawei Watch Buds. With their ingenious inventions, Huawei never ceases to amaze us with their diverse products. From a sleek smartphone that folds like a book to a watch that conceals earbuds within, its design is award-winning and its features are remarkable. It can monitor your sleep, heart rate, oxygen, and stress levels, display a stunning 1.43-inch OLED screen with high resolution, and offer 80 workout modes for various activities. The device can charge wirelessly, and the earbuds can play audio for 4 hours or video chat for 2.5 hours. The watch can last for 3 days on a single charge. This device is a steal at $420. Gyroor C2. It has the shape of a bike, but no pedals to move it. It has the look of a scooter, but a regular seat and 14-inch wheels to ride it. And it can fold like an origami and fit snugly in a trunk. So let's ignore the labels and focus on the features. It has 450 watts of power to zoom it, a range of 32 kilometers on a single charge to roam it, speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour to thrill it, and a maximum load capacity of 120 kilograms to fill it. And guess what? The contraption weighs only 24 kilograms, comparable to many basic city electric bikes. It has a versatile design that suits both teens and adults alike. And the price? It starts at a modest $690. Magic Lighting Plate. Are you a book lover who enjoys both the classic feel of paper and the modern convenience of ebooks? If so, you will love this amazing gadget that lets you read in any setting. Whether you are on a train, a plane, or a tent, this gadget will provide you with the perfect light for your eyes. You can adjust the brightness and the color temperature to suit your preference and the environment. You can also turn it into a night light and enjoy up to 10 hours of cozy illumination with a single charge. This gadget is lightweight, portable, and durable. It is made with advanced semiconductor technology that ensures its high quality and performance. You can get this gadget for only $159 or more, depending on the model. Don't miss this opportunity to enhance your reading experience with this versatile gadget. Sparkle Tornado. Are you feeling the heat on your summer run? Why not try a wearable air conditioner that fits on your waist? It has a powerful cooling system with 4 or 5 fans that blast you with 585 liters of fresh air every minute. And it won't disturb your peace, as it only makes 45 decibels of noise, which is like having a normal chat. It can run for 3.5 hours on a single charge, and you can extend it with a power bank if you need to. The belt and the 5-fan model weigh 720 grams together. The belt is made of silicone that can withstand high temperatures and UV rays. It's gentle on your skin and balances the weight evenly. This smart cooling device will cost you around $400, but it's worth it for the comfort. AirCard. A Swiss scientist wanted to test the honesty of people around the world. They left 17,000 wallets in different places in 40 countries and waited to see who would return them. The experiment showed that Switzerland, Norway, and the Netherlands had the most trustworthy people. Maybe this Swiss team was inspired by this wallet tracker that they invented. This gadget is as small and thin as 2 credit cards, but it has a lot of features. It has a long-lasting battery, a loudspeaker, an antenna, and an NFC module. It's also easy to use. You can link the tracker to 5 phones at the same time with the app. If you ever lose your wallet, you can find it right away by looking at the tag on the map. The gadget costs only $33. MYION. Beijing was smothered by a thick blanket of smog in March. It was so bad that the authorities warned people to keep their windows shut and stayed indoors. The air was filled with nasty stuff like soot, tire debris, asphalt, and some microorganisms. They were 10 times higher than the safe level. That's why people in China need a purifier like this one. It's a powerful device that cleans the air around you by ionizing and sterilizing it. It's small and light, only 25 grams, and you can wear it on your neck. It's great for when you're in cabs, public transport, schools, and gyms. It can get rid of 99% of the pollutants and last for 10 hours on one charge. You can get this amazing purifier for only $184. Don't let the smog ruin your health and happiness. Lockly Secure Pro. These days, the door of your own apartment is more than just a door. It's a gateway to a high-tech world of possibilities. For example, this lock lets you choose how you want to enter: a numeric keypad with a code, a fingerprint scanner, a smartphone app, voice command recognition, or regular keys. The Pin Genie keypad is especially amazing, with its 4 circles that each have 3 digits. When you enter the code, the digits switch places in a smart and patented way. Plus, the door can remember up to 99 fingerprints, and the app lets you see if the door is locked, share electronic keys or one-time access codes, and track who comes and goes and when. You can set up this system in just 10 minutes with only a screwdriver. It costs only $240. BAYU Auto. One kit for car owners aiming to simplify daily car maintenance. Currently, the kit includes 6 tools, but the manufacturers promise an additional 14 tools in the future. Here's a brief overview of the first 6. A maximum pressure of 13.5 atmospheres and provides 40 minutes of operation on a single charge. It can also be useful for watering flowers or the lawn. The vacuum cleaner, with a size similar to a small bottle of wine, can operate for an hour on a single charge. It offers 2 different modes. A pump. This tool can pump 38 liters of air per minute and can inflate bicycle wheels, basketballs, and more. It provides a maximum pressure of 10 atmospheres. A flashlight that can illuminate a distance of up to 400 meters and offers 5 different modes, along with a lampshade and a power bank with a capacity of 19,200 milliamp hours. This power bank can charge 3 to 4 smartphones. It supports both wired and wireless charging technologies. As a bonus, the kit also includes a smartphone holder. The price tag for the kit is approximately $300. MYION label. The theme music industry continues to embrace technological advancements, and this new gadget is set to revolutionize guitar learning. Packed with artificial intelligence, it can instantly detect mistakes like incorrect chords or wrong notes in a solo and provide advice on appropriate exercises. Along with this, it offers a range of features, including a metronome, an extensive library of chord tablatures and scales, a tuner, a beat master, and even a thermometer and hydrometer to ensure your instrument is stored in optimal condition. It's compatible with both Android and iOS. It works through a dedicated app, and a single charge provides 15 hours of training. Begin your journey to reach the level of excellence achieved by guitar legends like Jimi Hendrix and others, all for $222.